Hello students, welcome to the second part of map pointing. Let's begin with North America. Can you see this design? From here one blue line is going in northeast direction, that is river Colorado. In the blank map from same design you will draw a line going towards northeast direction and write the name Colorado. Remember this design? This is our Gulf of Mexico. From here, this blue line is moving towards north. You will also draw a blue line from Gulf of Mexico going towards north and write the name Mississippi. Let's move to the South America. You will see equator. Just below it you will notice a small V shape from where the line is starting, moving towards west and then turning to south. This is your river Amazon with two tributaries. Can you see this V shape in the blank map? You will also start from here. The line will move towards west and then will turn to the south direction. Afterwards, write down the name Amazon. At the eastern part of South America, there is another small V design from where a blue line is going towards north, which is river Paraguay. You will also draw a blue line from that similar small V design, which will move towards north and then finally writes its name Paraguay. Coming to the continent Africa. In the southern part, you will find a blue line is starting from left side, which is going towards the right side. This is your river Orange. You will also draw a blue line in the southern part of Africa, moving from left to right and write the name neatly Orange. Outside the boundary of Africa, one island is there, that is Madagascar. The center of it is a key point for us. This blue line is moving towards west and then turn to north direction. This is river Zambezi. Keeping the center of Madagascar as your key point, you will also draw a blue line touching the southeast boundary of continent Africa. Take this line towards west and then turn northward. Write the name Zambezi. The line equator will be our key mark from here. Below equator, a line has started touching western boundary of the continent, moving in northeast direction, went above the equator, then turned towards south. This is your river Zaire. Now you know that below the equator you will draw a blue line in northeast direction. Take little above the equator and then turn towards the south direction. Write the name Zaire. In the western part of Africa, a line is above the equator, moving in northwest direction and then turn towards south. This is your river Niger. You will also go above the equator and start drawing line touching the western part of Africa. It will move in the northwest direction and then turn downwards. Write the name River Niger. Below equator, a line is starting moving towards north direction and finally touching the eastern corner of your Mediterranean Sea. This is your river Nile. Keeping equator as your key mark, you will also draw a blue line moving upwards and finally touching the eastern corner of the Mediterranean Sea. Write the name Nile. Rivers will always touch the boundary line, either of the continent or of any sea. Please don't draw the river in the air, such as, if you mark like this, then this will be wrong. So always touch the boundary line either of sea or of the continent to make the river marking correct.